If you still use the Galaxy S22 and think about upgrading, the newly launched Galaxy S25 might seem like the perfect moment for that. But what exactly are the upgrades that you get? First, the Galaxy S25 remains just as compact as the Galaxy S22, which you probably want. Second, with the Galaxy S25, you get one of the most capable processors launched in years, the new Snapdragon 8 Elite, coupled with a solid 12 GB of RAM. Third, and most interesting, the camera hardware has remained unchanged, but thanks to software improvements, photos and videos look better on the S25. Little has changed in the looks and style of the Galaxy series in the past 3 years, but still there are some distinctions. The Galaxy S25 measures is essentially the same size as the S22, but it is a tiny bit taller and a bit thinner. But you probably won't notice. It's a tiny bit lighter too. The more noticeable change is the switch to flat sides on the S25 instead of the curved ones on the S22. We prefer this change as it helps with the phone's durability and it's easier to pick it up from a table. Both phones have the same IP68 water and dust protection rating, and both feature an aluminum body and a glass back. Thanks to smaller bezels, the Galaxy S25 is able to cram in a slightly larger 6.2-inch screen in the same physical size as the S22, which has a 6.1-inch screen. Both are AMO LED panels with gorgeous colors and a similar 1080p resolution, so don't expect much of an upgrade in that. What has changed is that the S25 can get significantly brighter, which is helpful when you use the phone outdoors. It hits 2600 nits of peak brightness compared to 1500 nits on the S22. The biggest upgrade in the Galaxy S25 has got to be the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset coupled with 12 GB of RAM. The Galaxy S22 runs on a much slower Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and it has 8 GB of RAM. You'll notice this upgrade in more demanding tasks, but chances are that you won't see a huge difference in just daily operations. Both phones ship with 128 GB of base storage. Software, however, is a problem on the older Galaxy S22. It launched with Android 12, so Android 15 and One UI 7 are likely its last update, and this update will probably arrive in a few long months in the summer of 2025. The Galaxy S25, on the other hand, ships with Android 15, and you get much longer 7-year software update commitment from Samsung. Of course, it is all about AI these days, and we're yet to see if the Galaxy S22 adopts all the AI features of the S25, but we guess it will get most of them. After all, they are web-based and they're tied to Google's Gemini, which you get on every Android smartphone. It's so strange to see the Galaxy S25 launching with the same cameras as the Galaxy S22 from 3 years ago. Here are the camera specs on both phones: 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera. But software is king these days, so most of the camera improvements come from the processing and the new ISP in the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Now, you have a 4000 mAh battery on the Galaxy S25 compared to a 3700 mAh battery size on the Galaxy S22. That is an 8% difference in favor of the new phone. Plus, you have some efficiency gains from the newer chip, but will you get a considerably longer battery life on the Galaxy S25? Not really. You shouldn't have that expectation. And charging speeds are absolutely identical on both models: 25 watt for wired charging and 15 watt for wireless charging. Far from the fastest around. All in all, the Galaxy S25 is an upgrade with slightly tweaked looks, new camera processing, and a much faster chip. But it's not a game changer if that's what you're looking for. It still has 1-day battery life, and most of the new AI features will make their way to the Galaxy S22 as well. You should upgrade if you feel the itch and you get a good trade-in. Just don't expect anything mind-blowingly new.